Hello guys, my name is Olga Smola and I'm violin professor at the School of Music at the University of Nebraska in Omaha. And today I'm here to help you, or to try to help you, with your preparation of the Prokofiev's Suite Number 2, Romeo and Juliet. And I would love to start with the first movement, Mantecchi and Capuletti. I pronounce this Russian way. So I hope that you read the story already. If not, find the Shakespeare's book. It will be very useful to understand what you are playing about. But we are speaking now about the battle between two families. So we need to invent the very intense sound and emotional sound with you. And Prokofiev wrote the remark pesante, which means to play hard. And the main idea that we have to play, our bow has to be grounded on the string really well. Do not take away your bow between long notes and short notes, like here. Do not take away, just keep your bow on the string. This helps you to build connections between notes, and at the same time do not make them lighter. One more tip: in order to build better musical sentence, try in your head think to connect the short note to the next long one, like this. But not this way. Now I play wrong. So we can't play the sentence this way. If you will think in your head tam, pa pam, pam pam, it will be easier for you to build wonderful sentence. So I start to play from the third bar of number 2, and the two first bars, they come to the last note of the second bar, B, with the accent. So let's try to build this sentence. How we can do this? Of course, we have to use the whole bow all the time, but at the same moment, you still need to try to make crescendo from the first note to the last note. And one more tip: do not use very little bow on the short note like this. Try to use as much bow as possible. This will help you to keep the right rhythm pattern and to make it more solid. What else I can say? It's important to understand where do we have accents. Like, I will play this whole sentence for you now. So in number 3, in the second bar, stay on the fourth string. It's very important for the mood and for the right character. Sometimes we have we have to switch positions here. Of course, we have to. And my recommendation is to do this. Do not do this between short and next long note, because it's very short period of time and you need to change the direction of the bow. So it's better to change your position after the long note. It's the rule for this type of rhythmical pattern, actually. If we look on the second line from the bottom, pesante, this is a good example of this. So I switched positions after the long note, if you look closer to my hand. On the next page, if you take a look, on the second line, you can find a scale. Do you like to play scales? We have actually the video about recommendations how to play scale, which you can find in the on our channel, subscribe to our channel. So in this line I wrote down my recommended fingering. You can play your own, but my strong recommendation, when you come to the top here, you have G with the second finger. So leave this second finger in order after. This note will be already prepared for you and you will be in the right position. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can write down or ask them here below and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.